everybody. Now we will discuss the area related to circle. Second part is there. So few terms are there which are related to circle. First is the distance around the circle of the length of a circle is called a circumference. Means this is the around the circle. This is known as a circumference and this is center and OB is the radius is there. Or you can say that this is the perimeter is there. Means the surrounding of that. Chord is a line segment whose end points lies at the circumference of the circle. Means a line segment joining any two points on a circle, that is known as a chord. So this is known as a chord. AB is the chord is there only. Any line segment जिसके end point circumference पर lie करते हैं, that is the chord. And diameter is the longest chord. This already you know that. Arc is a piece of a circle between 2 points of the circle, that is called an arc. This is AB is an arc, that is the part of the circumference of the circle. Circumference का कोई भी part है, that is arc is there. But this arc is divided into the two parts. This is minor arc and major. Minor and the major is there. Major arc. See, how can you make the difference? Difference कैसे बताते हैं? This is your AB is the minor one is there. So we will write this is AB. And this arrow, ये arrow है ना, that makes the difference in minor and major. So if you are writing AB is there, it means we are talking about this minor one is there. हम क्या इस minor की बात कर रहे हैं. But if you are writing BA, this is the way of the writing. This is BA means we are talking about the major one is there only. Or you can say कि if we take the semicircle is there, semicircle की circumference से अगर कम है, that is will be the minor one. More than है, that will be the major is there. So that is also one of the way to understand the minor arc and major arc is there. Then the sector. Sector is the portion which is enclosed by the two radii and the arc. इन दो radius से और arc से जो area enclosed है, this is your the sector is there. This is your sector. Means the portion of a circular region enclosed by two radii and the corresponding arc. Two radii and this corresponding arc. And this is known as a sector. And sector is again divided into the two parts is there only. Minor sector and major. How can you write is minor and major? See now, this is a arrow है ना, ये arrow makes the difference and minor and major is there. If you are writing OACBO, OACBO, that is we are talking about this minor one is there. अगर हमने लिखा BA, like here from here देखिए BRAOB, B then R A O and B, then we are talking about this major sector is there only. So the minor and major sector is also this arrow makes the differences there. Arrow बहुत help करता है और you can any one of the point you can take for the make the difference in minor and major is there only. Now the segment. Segment is the region that is enclosed by the chord and the corresponding arc. ये chord और corresponding arc से जो area है, this is known as a segment is there only. Yeah, this is your radius and this is, and the angle is subtended by this at the center. This is you can say the theta. इस theta angle को हम बोलते हैं central angle. This is known as a central angle. That later on we will discuss about this one is there. So segment is the portion of a circular region enclosed between a chord and the corresponding arc is called a segment. So this is your segment is there. You can see the minor and major. How can you make the differences here again? Minor segment. So that we will write here ACBA. ACBA. We are talking about this minor segment is there. Arrow makes the difference, and if you want to talk about this major, this is your major segment. Sorry. So this is BRAB. That is major. Major BRAB. That is your major segment is there only. So this is minor segment and this is your major. Minor sector, major sector, minor arc, major arc, likewise there only. Have a look. Okay. Now we will discuss about, first of all, the circle is there. center is O and radius is R. So area of a circle that is equal to pi r square. If you know the radius, and by using this formula you can find out the area of the circle, is already you know that. If we talk about the circumference of a circle, means the outer boundary, we are talking about this outer boundary, that is equal to 2 pi r, where r is the radius and radius is the half of the diameter. This is already we know that is. Sometime the diameter may be given, diameter given hoga, so you can calculate the radius and you can. If we talk about the semi-perimeter, then the area of a semi-perimeter, area of a semicircle, that is equal to 1 by 2 half of this one, because this is the half of the circle is there, you know, this is your complete, that half is there only. If we talk about the circumference of the semicircle, that will be equal to, means we are talking about this one, ये आपका क्या होगा, half of this 2 pi r, that is pi r is there. लेकिन अगर if you are talking about the perimeter, अगर perimeter की बात करेंगे तो this one plus this will be included. So the perimeter of a semicircle, that is equal to pi r, means this one, this is pi r plus r plus r. So this is equal to 2 pi r plus 2r, or you can write down pi r plus d, because diameter is the twice of the radius. This is already you know that. देखिए ये circumference of this circumference of the circle, that is also known as this is also you can say the perimeter, because this outer boundary and this one both are same only, but here is the outer boundary is this one, that is the perimeter. If you are talking about the circumference of the semicircle, then this is the circumference of the semicircle is there. Now we will talk about this length of an arc. This is your arc is there. In you want to calculate the length of an arc only. So the length of an arc, that is equal to, this is theta is known as a central angle. This is the angle. Central angle क्या होता है? The angle subtended by the arc at the center. इस arc ने center पर जो angle subtend किया, subtend means whole body makes the angle at the particular point. पूरी body angle बनाती है उस point पर. So this is your central angle, that is theta. You know this theta, you know the radius, you can calculate this length of an arc. I mean we are talking about this one L. That is, you can say that is equal to, and this is the length of an arc is the part of the circumference of the circle. तो इसको formula है इसका theta over 360, means if you know this central angle into 2 pi r, theta over 360 into 2 pi r. 2 pi r is coming here only because ये क्या, that is the part of the circumference of the circle is there only. So this is, you can see the L. लेकिन if we talk about the area of the sector, this one, we are talking about the area of this one only. This is, you want to know the area of this one. So area of a sector, that is equal to theta over 360, same. And this is the arc क्या है, that is the part of the circumference of the circle, and this sector is the part of the region of this area of the circle. So that is the pi r square. And this is, you can say the A is there only. See, now this is your minor arc is there. You want to calculate this one, major arc. So one thing is there only, major arc के लिए क्या है कि you can subtract this length L from 2 pi r. You can find out the length of the major one. Or one thing you can do, you know this angle, you can put here over 360 into 2 pi r. So you will get the length of this major arc is also, you can calculate. So that is another way is also there. Similarly here, if you are taking this angle, you are getting the area of this portion. You are interested to area of this one, means the major sector. You want to calculate the area of the major sector. तो इस केस में क्या कर सकते हैं? One thing is there, the area of this sector, इस sector का area, you are supposed to subtract the area from this circle. You will get the area of this portion, this one remaining. One thing you can do. दूसरा क्या है कि if you know this angle, You can take this angle is there. That is, अगर मैं इसको कहूँ θ1, यहाँ भी इसको भी, if we say the θ1 is there, so this is your minor arc. This is your minor. अगर if we talk about the major arc, length of the major arc, this one, so you can take this angle θ1 over 360 into 2 pi r. That is also you can do. Yeah, from the circumference of the circle you are supposed to subtract this L is there. That is also. Similarly is here area of the major sector by the angle you want to calculate, और इस सर्कल के एरिया में से इस सेक्टर के सेक्टर का एरिया सब्ट्रैक्ट करके you will get the input. That is also you can do. Otherwise you can calculate this angle because this angle will already be given. So that is you can say the θ1 for the major sector. That is also you can say θ1 over 360 into pi r square. That is also you can apply. This one is there. It's up to you only. Then which one you are going to apply. This is there. Now there is a relation in this length of an arc and the area of the sector. देखिए इनमें relation क्या है? Area of the sector A is equal to what? Theta over 360 into pi r square. This is. लेकिन for the own convenience मैं इसको ऐसा भी तो लिख सकता हूँ. Theta over 360 into pi r square की जगह मैं लिखूँ 2 pi r into r by 2. देखिए 2 से 2 you cancel. You are getting ultimately pi r square. लेकिन what is this? This is your length of an arc. तो आपको क्या मिला? A is equal to this is your L into R over 2. यहां से you will getting one of the formula A is equal to 1 over 2 length of an arc into radius. So this is also one of the relation. Area of the sector is equal to 1 over 2 length of an arc into radius. You can calculate. अगर आपको length of an arc पता है, radius पता है, you can calculate the area of the sector. You know the area of the sector, you know the length of an arc, you can calculate the radius. If you know the radius and the area of the sector, you can calculate the length of an arc is there already. देखिए generally क्या होता है, sometimes the length of an arc is given and the radius is given and we are asked to calculate the area of the sector. हमको length of an arc पता है, radius पता है. We want to calculate the area of the sector. What the children are doing? बच्चे क्या करते हैं? They are putting the value of r is here and theta. They are going to calculate the r and L. They are going to calculate the theta first. यहाँ से and that the value of theta and pi they are putting here. Then they are going to calculate the area of the sector. लेकिन by using this formula, if you know this formula, then direct you can calculate. Instead of to put the L यहाँ रखा, R यहाँ रखा, you are going to calculate the theta. Theta की value निकालना है, then you are putting here, then the radius, then you are going to calculate. So you must know this is also one of the formula. Now we will discuss the area of this segment is also. Now have a look. Okay, now we will discuss the how can you calculate the area of this segment is there only. See, so to calculate the area of this segment, what we will do, from the area of this sector, from this sector, you are supposed to subtract the area of this triangle AOAB. Means the area of the segment will be equal to area of the sector OAPBOA. Subtract the area of this triangle OAB, whose radius and this is your central angle. Theta is your central angle. This is known as a central angle, which is subtended by the n r. This is. So area of the sector is already you know, that is theta over 360 into pi r square. But you are supposed to calculate the area of this triangle OAB. How can you calculate the area of this triangle? इस triangle का area कैसे calculate करेंगे? देखिए, look at here now. This is your OAB. This is R. This is O. This angle theta. This is your AB. क्या करेंगे? What we will do? We will draw the perpendicular here only. At this OB, that is M. This is your radius is R. You are supposed to draw the perpendicular from the point A to an OB. See now. Now in triangle, you can take in triangle AMO. अब इस triangle में देखिए AMO में. For this angle, this AM is working as a perpendicular. This is your perpendicular. OM will be your base. This is, and sorry, AM is a perpendicular and this is your base, and this AO will work as a hypotenuse. This is your hypotenuse. This is. So now you know this perpendicular, you know the base, you are interested in perpendicular to find the area of this triangle. हमें इस triangle का area निकालना है तो we must know the AM is there. क्योंकि OB is already we know that is R is there. तो you are supposed to calculate the AM. It means we are interested in perpendicular. तो इस triangle में just in triangle AOB you are supposed to take the sine theta is here. Just take the sine theta. So sine theta is equal to, you know, the perpendicular over hypotenuse, and perpendicular is what? AM over hypotenuse. This is AO is R. तो यहां से आपको क्या मिला? You are getting AM is equal to R sine theta. So you know this perpendicular AM, that is R sine theta. You know this one. This is your R sine theta. Now you know the perpendicular. You know the base is here only. You can calculate the area of this one. So area of this triangle will be equal to what? 1 over 2 into OB into AM. So what you will get is here. You will get theta over 360 into pi r square minus 1 over 2 OB. OB is what? OB is R into AM is also R sin theta. So you can write down this is equal to theta over 360 into pi r square minus 1 over 2 r square sin theta. And this is your the area of the segment. This is the formula by which you can calculate the area of the segment is there. Now there is a two concept is there. दो point हैं, that is the concept one. It's very very important. If your angle theta is less than equal to 90 degree, if this angle central angle अगर आपका 90 या 90 से कम है, तो then the area of the segment you can apply this formula directly. Theta over 360 into pi r square minus 1 over 2 r square sin theta. This is. But in case if your angle theta is greater than 90, suppose ये angle greater than 90 है, तो greater than 90 है, अगर देखिए you know the value of the sin 90, but if the in place of sin 90 degree angle, suppose it is given is 120 is there, 150 is there, suppose likewise 180 is there, then how can you calculate? फिर आप कैसे calculate करेंगे area of this segment is there? So in that case is equal to area of the segment. Direct you can apply this formula is equal to theta over 360 into pi r square minus r square into sine theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Remember here, this is we are doing the half of the angle. We are doing the half of the angle. This sine theta by 2 is not equal to sine theta over whole over this one. This is not equal. We are doing the half of this angle. We are doing the half of the angle. We are doing the half of the angle is here only. So directly you can apply this one, r square into sine theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. So these are the 2 points also you must keep in mind. Have a look, and few more things also we will discuss. Okay, now few more points is also here. Then we were discussing the area of the segment is equal to theta over 360 to pi r square minus 1 over 2 r square sin theta, where theta is your, this is your central angle, this is your central angle, and r is the radius is there, r is radius, this is, then this is the formula. But direct you can learn these formulas is there only. Suppose if your central angle theta is 90, then the area of this segment will be equal to pi by 4 minus 1 by 2 in bracket into r square. Suppose if your angle is theta is 60 degree, this theta is 60, then directly you can apply pi over 3 minus root 3 by 2 in bracket into r square. You know the radius, simple you can calculate. If your angle theta is equal to 120 degree, then directly also you can apply for this area of the segment pi by 3 minus root 3 by 4 r square. देखिए इसको और इससे देखिए, the difference is here is root 3 by 2 and here is the root 3 by 4 is there. This is the difference. देखिए pi by 4 same, this is r square, only this is the term is going to change. अगर हमारा एंगल चेंज हो रहा है तो only this is the term is going to change, the rest of the things are same. So it's quite easy to understand or to learn this one. आराम से you can ऐसे learn कर सकते हैं. This is the formula, the area of the n-sided regular polygon. N-sided regular polygon means side and angles all are equal. Then for that one the formula is there, n a square by 4 into cot 180 over n. You can apply this formula is there only. Or one more point is also there. For any regular polygon is there. Suppose this is your regular polygon, that is the 5 side is there. This is, or this is a regular polygon. So the angle, you know the angle, this is means this all the angles will be the equal is here only. You are interested to calculate the area of this one. So the problem is comes in case of the this is there only, means in this triangle is there. अगर मैं सेक्टर की बात करता हूँ, you want to calculate the area of this sector is there only, this one, area of this sector. So what we can do, just see now, you will get this an equilateral triangle. So that number of sides is there into root 3 by 4 a square. You will get the area of this sector is there also. So that is, this will be the area of this one. Multiply by 5, you will get the area of this regular polygon. By using this formula is also you can do that. Now the perimeter of sector. अगर मुझे इस sector का, ये sector का perimeter निकालना है, तो perimeter will be what? Perimeter means outer boundary. This is OA plus this R, length of an arc, plus this one is there. Means the perimeter of a sector OACBO will be equal to the length of an arc, length of an arc, this is your length of an arc, this is your arc is there, plus OB plus OA, plus OB, that is radius, plus this R is there only. Then by using this one, L plus 2R, you can calculate this is there. So in case of the perimeter is there, that is the outer boundary is there. If we talk about the perimeter of this circle, then this is this one. Suppose you want to calculate the perimeter of this one, this portion, it's इस वाले portion का. So what we will do? Length of and this one minus plus this one is there. That you will get the perimeter of this portion is there only. See, here is the area of the segment. You can calculate this one. You want to calculate the area of the segment is major one. That from the area of the circle subtract this one, you will get the area of the major is there. Likewise the sector में भी हम इसी तरह से कर सकते हैं. Have a look. Few more point also we will discuss. Okay, now few more things are there. Distance moved by a wheel in one revolution means how much distance will be covered the wheel in 1 minute is in one revolution is there. तो कोई भी व्हील है वो कितना डिस्टेंस कवर करेगा एक रेवोल्यूशन में, जितना उसका सर्कम्फ्रेंस होगा. मींस द डिस्टेंस विल बी कवर्ड बाय moved by a wheel in one revolution, that will be equal to the circumference of the wheel. Whatever is the जो भी इसका circumference है, that distance it will cover is there only in one revolution. Number of revolutions in 1 minute you want to calculate, that is the distance moved in 1 minute circumference. 1 minute में कितने circumference के बराबर he covered the distance, that is will give the number of revolutions. Angle described by a minute hand in a 60 minutes. See now clock is here only. This the minute hand is there. In 60 minutes means it will complete this in one revolution. Then in 60 minutes it will make the 360-degree angle. That is we are talking about the minute hand. You want to calculate the angle subtended by the minute hand in 1 minute. You have to divide this one. In 1 minute the angle will be subtended. That will be equal to 360 over 60. So that is 60. So in 1 minute the minute hand will subtend the 160-degree angle here only. Now in case the hour hand we are taking, hour hand will also complete in 12 hours. It will complete 360-degree. Then in 1 hour it will complete. It will make the 30-degree angle is there only. You can divide it by 12. You will get the angle subtended by the hour hand in 1 hour. That is 360 over 12. That is 30-degree. Now the midpoint of any hypotenuse, any right angle triangle is given. Suppose this is your right angle triangle ABC. Right angle at B. इसका hypotenuse का midpoint. That midpoint will be the equidistant from these all these vertices. Means here is this distance MA will be equal to MB will be equal to MC. All will be the equal. Means the angle, the midpoint of a hypotenuse of a right triangle is equidistant. Equidistant means equal distance from the vertices of the triangle. And sixth one is there, the angle subtended by at the circumference of a diameter is always a right angle. And this is already you know that in a semicircle, if you are going to construct any triangle, that will be the right angle triangle. This angle is always 90 because you know this is 180, so this angle will be the half of this one. It's already you know that angle subtended by any arc at the center ये double होता है इसका. So this is 180 is there, so this will be the 90 is there. So these are the few more points is also be required to solve these questions as they are only. Have a look. Okay, now this is your question number 5 from your NCERT book, that is exercise 12.2 is there. What the question is saying, in a circle of radius 21 centimeter, there is a circle whose radius of this one is given 21. This is your 21 centimeter center O. You can take this is a an arc subtend an angle 60 degree. There is a arc is, you can say this ABN arc, which is going to subtend the 60 degree angle is here. That is theta. Means you can say theta is equal to 60 degree central angle and radius is given 21 centimeter. This is the information is given. We are supposed to calculate first is the length of the arc. Means we are calculate the length of arc. हमें क्या निकालना? ये निकालना. This is you want to calculate this L. So the length of an arc formula is there. L is equal to theta over 360 into 2 pi r. Theta is already you know that is 60 degrees there over 360 into 2 into pi, you can put 22 over 7, and radius is also given 21 is here. You must calculate this one only, you will get the length of an arc. Just see now, 6 7 3 3 2 6, so that is you are getting 22 centimeter. This is your length of an arc. This is the length of this arc is there. Now second part is asking, you are supposed to calculate the area of the sector formed by this arc. Means you are supposed to calculate the area of this portion. That is your sector is there only. You are interested in this one. हमें इसका एरिया निकालना है. तो देखिए एक तो फॉर्मूला ये है कि you are supposed to put this one theta over 360 into pi r square. You can calculate this one only by using this one. इसको लगा सकते हैं. लेकिन देखिए एक दूसरा फॉर्मूला हमने डिस्कस किया था 1/2 L into R, because L is already we know that L is already we. Then why we should do this more calculation? सीधा करो बिंदास 1/2. L is 22 and R is what? 21. So this is 11. So this is your 1231 centimeter square, and this is the area of this sector. Now the third is the area of the segment. Means that is by this corresponding chord. This one. This is there one. This one. You are interested to find the area of this segment is there. So what we will do? From this sector, subtract the area of this triangle. But direct formula you can apply. Direct formula you can apply here. Here is area of a segment will be equal to, I am going to put this is theta over 360 into pi r square minus 1/2 r square sin theta. Because your angle is theta is less than 90, so that is you can apply this one is there. Theta over 360 into pi r square, that is area of the sector, is already be calculated. That is directly you can write on here 231 minus, क्योंकि हमने यहाँ कैलकुलेट किया है. We already calculated here. यहाँ already किया है. And this is 1/2 r square is 21 whole square into sine angle theta is 60 degrees there. So this is equal to, you can write on 231 minus 1/2 into 21 into 21 into, this is what? Root 3/2. The value of the sine 60 is already, we know that root 3/2 is here only. If you will solve this one, what you will get here? 231 minus 21 that is 441 root 3 over 4 is here. Or you can write down this is 4 924 minus 4441 root 3 over 4, and this is the area of the this segment is also there. You can calculate. One thing is there कि आप इसमें root 3 की value रखिए, लेकिन if you are going to put the value of root 3 is here, फिर you should be very careful. There should be single mistake should not be there. Otherwise आप यहाँ भी छोड़ेंगे तभी चलेगा. That is here is also you can left, this one is there. So this is the area of the segment. Have a look. Okay, now one more problem we are taking. The question is there. There is a triangular shaped field there are the three horses are tied at their corner here only, and the length of the rope is given 7 meter. 7 meter लेंथ की रोप से उनको टाइट किया हुआ है पॉइंट एट द पॉइंट ए बी एंड सी इज देयर. वी वांट टू नो देन हाउ मच एरिया दे विल ग्रेज बाय दिस थ्री हॉर्सेस. तो जो वन हॉर्स है वो कितना एरिया ग्रेजिंग करेगा जितना इसका लेंथ ऑफ दिस रोप है. मींस दिस वन इज देयर लाइक ए सेक्टर इज देयर, द वन will be grazed by this portion. Another is there here only at the point B with the length of the same length is of the rope, that is 7 meter. That is the portion which is grazed by this horse B is there only. At the similarly at the point C is there only. This is, we are interested to find the area of these three portions. So these are the sectors are there. You know these are the sectors, and area of the sectors already you know, that is theta over 360 into pi r square. So this is the length of the rope. Length of the rope that will work as the radius of this one only for this sector. ये क्या करेगा, ये जो length है of the rope है ना, that will work as a radius of this sector only, because horse will can graze जितना उसका 7 meter तक जाएगा, that portion can graze by the horse is there. So this will work as a radius is there, but we don't know the central angle is here. We don't know this angle. We don't know this, and this one is there. So how can you calculate it? For the own convenience, मैं इसको एक number देता हूँ. This is your number 1. This is you can take the number 2. This is you can take number 3. For the own convenience, we are giving this is there only. अपनी सुविधा के लिए मैंने 1 2 3 लिख दिया, because we want to calculate the area of this one. हमें इसका area निकालना है, इसका निकालना है, इसका निकालना है. So that's why is there. See, so now area of the portion 1 is there. This is in the shape of the sector. So theta means you can say this is your angle A, you can say this is angle A over 360. क्यों formula ये होता है, and pi and r is there, that is the length of the rope is 7 whole square. This is your, you can say the 1 is there. Similarly you can calculate the area of this, area of the portion 2, that will be equal to angle B over 360 into pi r square is 7 whole square, and this is what you can say the 2 is there. Now similarly you can calculate the area of this one, area of 3, that is equal to angle C over 360 into pi 7 square, and this is your thing. And we want to know the area which is grazed by these three horses. So just you can add this one only. So the area grazed 3 horses, that will be equal to area of 1 plus area of 2 plus area of 3 you can add. So this is your what? This is your angle A over 360 into pi 7 square, plus similarly angle B over 360 into pi 7 square, plus similarly here angle C over 360 into pi 7 square. अगर देखिए ध्यान से हम देखें तो this is 1 over 360 into pi r square, 1 over 360 into pi 7 square, 1 over 360 into pi r square. That is your common. So you can take out, this is your common is there, 1 over 30 into pi 7 square, and you will get here is angle A plus angle B plus angle C. But this is the point, यही point है. Even though we don't know the angles, after that we can calculate the area which is grazed by these three horses. हमें एंगल नहीं पता है फिर भी हम निकाल सकते हैं, because this is the concept is here. तो ये in the beginning में sometime you may be confused, so you must calculate it and add them. Automatically the things will come. और ये क्या होता है? Sum of these three angle is 180. So this is equal to what? 180. You can write down just for the convenience. You can write 1 over 360 into pi. You can write down 22 over 7 into 7 into 7, 7 square, and this is your 180. Because the sum of the angles is 180. So 180 to 11, 7 is gone. So 11 into 7, so that is 77 meter square. This is the area which can be grazed by these three horses. That will be equal to the 77 meter square. Have a look.